Sandy Joys.
Hi guys, welcome to my Sandy Joys channel. Today I'm making a sand painting of a cute little kitten. Let's draw and paint together. Sand art is so much fun.